Arriving at a hidden modern factory, thousands of avocados start their magical transformation. Blended with the finest cacao and roasted hazelnuts, something unexpected begins to take shape. Slowly cooked with patience and skill, the mixture turns into a silky, luxurious spread. Carefully filled into elegant jars, every drop carries the goodness of nature and modern craft.
In today's digital world, unique content is the fastest way to grow on YouTube. My goal is to help viewers create amazing factory production videos using AI in a simple and smart way. From satisfying manufacturing processes to step-by-step product creation, this niche has huge viral potential, and millions of people love watching it every day. Many small creators have already turned these videos into successful channels and earned massive audiences worldwide. The best part is that you don't need expensive equipment or a real factory visit to start. With the power of AI, anyone can create professional and engaging production videos from home. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create realistic factory production videos using AI tools step by step. Copy the prompt given in the description and paste it into Grok AI. Each time, Grok AI will suggest 9 to 10 different factory process topics. Choose the topic you like, copy it along with its topic number, and give it back to Grok AI as a command. Before generating the final image prompts, Grok AI will ask about video duration and image size. Select your preferences and inform it. It will then create image prompts according to your chosen video duration. To generate motion prompts, give this command to Grok AI. Generate step-by-step motion prompts for all these images according to an 8-second video duration with perfect, soft, and deep voiceover prompt, stylish camera movement, scene effects, zoom, and lighting effects. Since Whisk AI does not support image generation, use Flow AI to create both images and videos. Open Flow AI and go to the Image section. Select Nano Banana Pro and choose your preferred aspect ratio. Then, paste the image prompt to generate images. You can also copy the complete prompt and create a single image, but Grok AI has already divided each image prompt into 2 to 3 parts to help you create multiple cinematic frames for a more professional-looking video. Therefore, generate the images part by part. After that, go to the Video section in Flow AI, select the Ingredients option, and upload the different frames of each image. Then, paste the motion prompt along with the voiceover script to generate the video. If you want to create the video without voiceover, simply remove the voiceover part from the motion prompt and paste only the motion prompt into the prompt box. You can also download the voiceover separately using Google AI Studio or Minimax AI. Finally, for video editing, CapCut is one of the best and easiest options to create a professional final video. On this channel, I always try to bring unique and viral content ideas without copying any YouTuber. My mission is to help new creators grow faster through different trending niches, so they do not have to face the same struggles and hard work that many old YouTubers experienced in the beginning. I want to make your journey easier by sharing smart AI methods and viral social media strategies. So, if you want to learn amazing tricks to grow on different social media platforms, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more valuable content.